Kurumjari, Namaste, hello. Today let's style this sari in 3 different styles. So get ready with me. So this is the first style. This is like if you are going for some sangeet and all, then I prefer to take the plaits a little small. Since the first style is for some event and all, has nothing to do with academics, so I'm showing a little bit of my tummy and all. And now it's time to check for a matching lipstick. So I was thinking that I would rather go with a darker set. So this is the color that I have chosen. Now this is my second look. It looks like I'm heading out for a dinner, like after office, like without changing and all, just going. So it gives you a simple look and not that simple also, so it's kind of a handy look. Now it's time for my third look. As you can see, I'm now removing those big earrings that I was using, and then you can also see that I've changed my sari plaits into a broader ones. Now it was time to remove this dark set of lipstick too. Since I was using a matte lipstick, now I have to use some lip balm. I'm using Baby Lips so that it could come out more easily. So now I have to again remove it. Time to make my hair also. I don't usually let my hair loose for classes, so I'm going to put a clutcher on my hair. Completely change the big earrings to smaller ones because this is how I get ready for taking my class. My final look for the class is almost done, and as you can see in the sides and all, nothing is now sewn. So I was quite happy that I'm ready and all. Then I forgot my watch, So I just ran to another corner, got my watch and got my specs also. So that's it, you have seen all the 3 looks of me. So see you in the next video. Bye.